Imagine standing at a crossroads. One path is the familiar road of trading your time for money, a constant uphill battle. The other path, though shrouded in mist, is a journey to financial freedom, where your money works for you. This second path is the journey of passive income. It's not a destination you arrive at overnight, but a series of deliberate steps that can fundamentally change your life. On Finance Decoded, we believe everyone deserves to understand this journey. Today, we're not just listing ideas, we're giving you the full roadmap, from the very first step to the final reward. This is your guide to building real, sustainable passive income. Chapter 1. The Blueprint. The mindset shift. The first step in any journey isn't a physical one, it's a mental one. Before you can build a passive income empire, you must build the right mindset. You need a blueprint. Most people see their time as a direct exchange for money. An hour of work equals a fixed wage. To succeed with passive income, you must learn to see your time as an investment. Every hour you spend building a system today is an hour you are investing in your future self. Every dollar you save is a seed you are planting for a harvest years down the line. This is the mindset of a long-term builder, not a short-term laborer. It's about delayed gratification for the sake of lasting freedom. Instead of spending your spare time consuming, you must learn to spend it creating. Chapter 2. The Foundation. Building the first brick. The second step is where the work truly begins. This is the most crucial part of the journey and the most common point where people get lost. You must lay the foundation. This requires an initial investment, which can be broken down into two powerful components: your time and your capital. Let's look at the investment of time. If you're creating a digital product, a blog, or a YouTube channel, your primary currency is your time and your knowledge. You'll spend weeks, maybe even months, crafting content, building a website, and designing your product. You will not see a single dollar of profit during this stage. The effort is immense and requires dedication. It's not about doing things the fastest way. It's about building a quality asset that can stand the test of time. Think about writing an ebook on a niche hobby you love. The time spent writing, editing, and designing is the foundation. The income that follows later is the reward. Next, consider the investment of capital. If you're pursuing dividend stocks, high-yield savings accounts, or real estate crowdfunding, your primary investment is money. You must first find this money. This means dedicating yourself to a budget, a savings plan, and the discipline to consistently put money aside, month after month. It could start with a side hustle to generate an initial $500, or it could be a disciplined savings plan from your full-time job. This initial capital is the seed you plant in the fertile soil of the financial markets. Without this seed, there can be no harvest. Chapter 3. The Engine Room. Building the system. Once your foundation is set, the real magic of passive income begins to unfold. This is where you build the system, the engine that will generate revenue on its own. The goal here is automation. For a digital product, the system is your sales funnel. This is a sequence that automatically delivers your product to customers after they purchase it, handles payment processing, and sends follow-up emails. The time you spent setting this up is what frees you. It's the engine room of your digital business, and it allows you to earn money from a sale you made while you were sleeping. For investments, the system is the power of compounding. You've put your capital into a dividend-paying stock or an ETF. The system you've built is the seamless process of those dividends being paid out and then automatically reinvested to buy more shares. This continuous loop, this self-fueling engine, is what allows your money to grow exponentially without you lifting a finger. The key to this stage is to build systems that work for you, not the other way around. Chapter 4. The maintenance. Keeping the engine running. A powerful engine doesn't just run forever without a little maintenance. This is the part of the journey that many fail to talk about. The work isn't zero, but it's minimal and highly strategic. For your digital product, maintenance might mean updating a small section of your ebook once a year to keep it relevant. For your affiliate blog post, it means checking your links to make sure they still work. For your investments, maintenance is the strategic act of periodically checking your portfolio, rebalancing it to your desired allocation, and staying informed on the broader market trends. Think of yourself as the captain of a ship on autopilot. The journey is mostly hands-off, but you're still in the captain's chair, ready to make a course correction when needed. This minimal, deliberate effort is the key to ensuring your passive income streams remain strong and profitable for years to come. Chapter 5. The harvest, compounding and scaling. This is the most rewarding part of the journey. Once your foundation is laid, your engine is running, and you're performing routine maintenance, you can begin to see the true power of passive income. This is the stage of compounding and scaling. Compounding is where your earnings begin to earn you more money. The dividends you reinvest begin to buy more shares, which in turn generate even more dividends. The sales from your ebook can be reinvested into advertising to reach a wider audience, leading to even more sales. This is the stage where the flywheel effect of your hard work and patience takes over, and your income streams begin to grow on their own momentum. This is also the stage where you can start scaling your empire. You've successfully built one passive income stream. Now you can use the knowledge and, more importantly, the capital from that stream to build another. Maybe you use the earnings from your affiliate marketing blog to fund your first small investment in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Your first passive income stream becomes the foundation for your next. This is how true financial freedom is built, brick by brick, stream by stream. Conclusion. The journey to financial freedom is not about finding a magic loophole. It's about a disciplined mindset, an intentional investment of your time and capital, and the commitment to build and maintain a system that works tirelessly for you. The path is challenging, but the reward is a life where your time is your own, where your income is not tied to your presence, and where you have the freedom to pursue your true passions. We've given you the roadmap. Now, the journey is yours to begin. Let us know in the comments below which passive income journey you are ready to begin today. Subscribe to Finance Decoded for more actionable guides on your path to financial independence.